This 2025 Gulf Stream Conquest 303 RLI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulf Stream is 37 feet 7 inches in length and features a white interior, sleeps 4, microwave, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, LP detector, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, slide-out, refrigerator, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Gulf Stream Conquest 303 RLI is 9,945 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.